All right, guys, it's time for a video about Bitcoin because look at this push up right here. Oh my goodness, it's amazing. But we have been waiting for this for a couple of weeks now. As you can see on the weekly chart, you can see we printed a green dot right here, which means there's a very high chance of, you see the momentum we're coming down, that we've seen upward movement. So we've just been waiting for it. We knew it was coming. And if you see on the 4-hour chart, it's a little bit easier to see it. But this is the way I trade. You see the broad drop down here. You got the breakout, retest, boom, there it goes up. Let me zoom out a little bit more so you can kind of see on the 4-hour chart where we are at and what's going on. And this is what we're looking at. See the drop coming right here. Touch point, came all the way down here, and then it broke free, and now it's going up. And it's very exciting how high it's going to go. I don't know. I really don't know. Nobody knows. But this market is so manipulated, which is why I'm mainly trade gold. You can see this is the strategy I use right here. The breakout, retest, boom. And you can see I'll have a course on my website for that. But right now, we don't know what's going to happen. It might just come up here and then go down. Like it's going to create like this head and shoulder pattern and then just keep going down. But I suspect now slowly we're going to see it crawl up like that, and it might take a whole year. I think the 4-year cycle might be over. But anyways, it's very exciting, and Bitcoin is doing very, very well. We're seeing the money flow come in here, just super exciting. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum looking good as well. Also had the breakout, the same breakout pattern, which is what I trade. You can see here, you can see the trend coming down. You can see, let me zoom out a little bit more so we can see what's going on. Okay, you see the pattern right here. Boom, boom, down, down, down. Breakout, retest, boom. Now we're moving up. Very exciting. It's simple. I mean, there's more to it, but it's like it's doable. Anyone can trade like this, you know? So Ethereum as well. It all comes down to Bitcoin, what's going to happen. And if Bitcoin keeps making new higher highs, Ethereum is going to follow right along, and it's going to be amazing. And you see it came to this trend line, you know? So like it was either going to go down here or up here, and we are moving up, which is a good thing. So it's all coming on this trend line right here, which is awesome. Now let's take a look at Solana. Solana is looking, has also had a breakout as well. Yeah, it's looking good as well. You see right here, it had a touch point here, here, follow along, and then boom, you got the breakout. I'm telling you, this is the easiest way to trade. Easiest way to trade. And so Solana's looking very good. We'll see where it goes next. But I want to see it come through this one as well. So XRP, let's take a look. Look at that, like a rocket straight up. Very exciting. So it's breaking out right now. It's got a nice clean breakout as well. If you look on the higher time frames, let's go to the day chart on this one so we can see a little bit better, because this one's kind of unusual. Okay, you see the trend line coming down here. Actually, this needs to be drawn a little bit differently. I want it like that. So it hasn't like fully broken out of this trend line since it had since July 2025, but it's working on it. I can't imagine it not getting through there. But XRP is a little bit different. I mean, if you draw a trend line right here, so it has broken out of this one, right? It went clean breaker right here, but it stopped right there. And I would love to see it move up, which is a little bit different than with Bitcoin and whatnot. So things are looking good. We are going up, and it's better we're going up with Bitcoin going this way than going here. Okay, to touch this trend line, if it would have broken this trend line, I was like, oh man, it's over for sure. But we're still in the game. I think we're going to see new all-time highs. I'm hoping in this year. It might not happen this week or next week, but I believe this year, with Wall Street like buying it up, I think it's going to be really, really amazing. Check out my website. Got a trading course there if you are interested.